It's in a jelly and it's passion fruit puree. It's got bits of seeds and everything in it. This stuff's so wonderful. I made this mug from a cow horn. I also made this griddle. Quite a few of my bushcrafting tools I make myself. I did a video on how to make all this stuff about a year ago. I'll put a link in the video description below. Got some pork jowl bacon left over from my last trip. Gonna let that cook right there. There we go. A buttery hot tortilla covered in cinnamon and sugar. If you like cinnamon,